Hello, my name is Diana Tismugaban and I'm from Philippines. I am applying for the culinary training program with your company. My desired start date is as soon as possible. I am very interested with this program because I want to take my OJT in the US. This training aims to complete the concepts and theories that I have learned to the development of my full potential through exposure to the actual field work. And to tell you about myself, I am a fast learner person, trustworthy, and most of all, I'm always confident in myself throughout my personality. And about my skills and knowledge, I know the knife skills, the culinary basic skills such as stocks, sauces, soups, and I'm also good in cooking methods, baking cakes and breads, and also the basic garmenting. I truly appreciate this opportunity to introduce myself and to apply for the training program with your company. Thank you for your time and consideration.